Hi there. So this is the video that will detail the BitMiner trade that I plan to put next week, hopefully on Tuesday, because the markets are closed on Monday. And let's see the details of this trade. This information is for educational purposes only. I'm not a licensed or registered financial advisor. This is not a recommendation to buy or sell. Options involve risk and you may lose money. Please consult a financial advisor before you take any action. Why BitMiner? So Bitmine is actually one of the largest holder of Ether. Ethereum is one of the leading stable coins. I should correct myself, one of the leading cryptocurrencies after Bitcoin. So I do have another video on stable coins, Circle, which I will put it at the end of this video. But Bitmine actually is what is called as a treasury holding company for Ethereum. You might have heard of Strategy, which is the biggest treasury holding company for Bitcoin. Bitmine is the Ethereum equivalent of Strategy. Tom Lee is its chairman, and it is now the largest holder of Ethereum in the world. It has already staked much of its, about a third of its Ethereum. And staking is actually unique to cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and Solana, where you earn interest on your existing coins. So right now, they hold nearly 3.5% of all Ether tokens, and their plan is to go to 5%. It recently, this week, last week, announced their results, quarterly results, and it was quite good. They right now have $14 billion on its balance sheet, mostly in Ethereum and some cash. It's moved significantly lower. They had their IPO last year, moved significantly lower. It pretty much went from in the 50s to 26, around 26, and it closed last Friday, 31. So the note says that all crypto equities are volatile. So Bitmine and Circle, these are all very volatile equities because they are based on the underlying crypto. And that also means that they have good premiums. So understand the risk reward here. That is very crucial for the trade itself. So let's look at the actual trade that I plan to do next week. So BMNR, that's the ticker. Strike price 30. Expiration next Friday, Jan 23. I plan to do 4 contracts. I hope to collect, because it all depends on how BitMiner is going to open on Tuesday. And that in turn will depend on how Ethereum is going to be on Tuesday. And if everything goes well, if it goes a little bit lower from where it closed on Friday, if it goes to 30 or even 29, I might get even a little bit higher premium, in which case I can choose to lower my strike price also. I hope to collect around $2, and 4 contracts means around $800 is my intended target. So let's see how it goes. I'll keep you updated next week. See you then. Bye.